Hi, I just came from my workout and I stopped by Aldi's and they had these snacks that's from Germany. So me and my son is going to try these snacks. Are you excited?
Yeah.
So which one you want to try first?
These.
Okay. It's Belgium chocolate waves. Kind of look like Pringles. Okay. Let's open it up. Okay. They look like little chocolate Pringles.
Oh, it doesn't feel like what I'm expecting. I was expecting to be like chocolate covered potato chips.
Me too. You like it? Okay. Want another one? What you rate it?
7.5.
7.5? I said 9. The next one are these kind of spice almond cookies.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
So it's these little almond cookies. Try it. You like it?
Man.
What'd you give it?
6.5.
I like it. These are like the little cookies I used to eat as a kid.
Oh.
I'll give it an 8. And then we got these soft gingerbread cookies, and we're going to try these next. So they have a chocolate one. These all were made in Germany. So let's try it. What'd you give it?
Oh, lower than the army stuff.
Give it a number.
Oh, 5.5.
I say 2. And that was the chocolate. Let's try this one. It's like, that kind of tastes like paper. What'd you give it?
A 5.5 out of 10.
I give it a maybe 2.
I'd recommend it put it in the microwave.
Put it in the microwave. Okay. Thank you. That's the snacks from Germany.
Bye.
All these are at Aldi's. All right. Bye.
Bye.
So, which one is your favorite, Cam?
The ones that look like Pringles.
I think these are my favorite, too. So, Cam wanted to put it in the microwave, so let's try it. Come over. What you say?
You're all right now.
All right. Bye again.
Bye.